So hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Creatrix. Welcome to Unacademy. So in these sessions, we are going to start the communication system and you are going to study the communication system like never before. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishal Soni and I have cleared ESC examination 2 times, both times in double digit rank. And I have also served as a Group A Gazetted Officer in Indian Railways and in Indian Telecommunication Services. And I have also cleared a lot of public sector examinations. So right now I'm teaching on Unacademy and I really feel proud to be the part of the Unacademy team, because Unacademy is the revolution in the field of free education and in the field of affordable education, and we as a team are really looking forward for every student to just come onto the Unacademy platform. You can attend the special classes, you can come onto this YouTube channel and you can stay connected with us so that you can understand the quality education and you can understand the efforts that we are putting in, so that every student of this country, whether he stays in a village or he stays in a town, should get the access of the content, that too in a very affordable prices, and he can also or she can also clear the examination with the best possible ranks. So right now I'm teaching on Unacademy with more than 15 million watch minutes in the overall duration and 2 million watch minutes in the last 30 days. So I am right now the top educator in Unacademy across all the branches, having rank 4 right now. And you can also follow me on Unacademy on this particular link. So you can go and follow me on Unacademy. Apart from that, my advice to every student is that how should you crack the examination and what are the components to cracking the examination. So the first question that comes to the mind, that can anyone prepare from the YouTube? Yes, you can prepare from the YouTube, but you should develop or cultivate some habits in yourself. For example, you should be very much disciplined. You should arrange the extra resources. For example, the PDFs you have to arrange, the test series you have to arrange by yourself, and most importantly, that self-discipline you should be containing in yourself, so that you can be very corrective manner and you can approach the examination in the best possible manner. So all these things you have to arrange yourself. The sense of competitiveness you have to cultivate in yourself, because the audience on the YouTube are not that much of competitive in nature, or maybe you cannot feel the competition which is present right now. So all these things are the part of the journey if you want to prepare through the YouTube, or maybe if you want to prepare through the free resources. Apart from that, if you want that you should get complete content, then this is the YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel itself, all the free content are available. You just have to go to the playlist. All the subjects are completed there. You just have to go and watch all the lectures one by one. Definitely will be getting benefited. But the extra things that I have told you, that the self-discipline and the sense of competitiveness and a lot of things you have to arrange by yourself. If you are comfortable in that, then you can do that. Apart from that, you should also have Unacademy learning app, so that the special classes you can attend. A lot of educators in this country are actually providing the special classes, that too absolutely free of cost, so that you can get the quality content in the best possible manner. Apart from that, there is also another component for you, which is Unacademy Plus. So on Unacademy Plus, what is your job? You just have to study. If you join this Unacademy Plus, you do not have to worry about the crash courses, weekly test, doubt solving sessions, the language barrier, rank improvement batches, live classes. So all these things will be taken care by the Unacademy. You just have to take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you have to come on to the Unacademy. You will be daily getting the live classes. You will be getting the crash courses. When you will be getting the crash courses? When the syllabus are completed. You will be getting the weekly test in the form of quizzes. Every fourth class is the doubt solving session, which is the major you can say the component or the major impact will be creating on your studies will be this doubt solving group. Because until and unless your doubts are not being cleared, until and unless you are not able to clear your doubts, you will never get the confidence in the subject. So once you come on to this Unacademy Plus, every fourth class is doubt solving session. Apart from that, various other doubt solving sessions are going on. So ultimately you will be getting your doubts cleared and you will gain confidence in the subject. The language barrier will not be an issue, because the batches will be running both Hindi and in English, and rank improvement batches will also be there. So all these things are the component of this Plus subscription. Once you come on to this Unacademy Plus, you do not have to be worried about your self-discipline, your competitiveness nature. Everything will be present on Unacademy, because a lot of other students will be there. Since the classes will be live, you can also watch it recorded later on. So the discipline automatically comes, because you get the idea that you will be having the daily live classes. Apart from that, there is also one iconic subscription. In this iconic subscription, the game changer is this personal coach. So this subscription is for them who thinks that their basics are weak, or those who are talented but they needs a continuous push. So this personal coach will be guiding you throughout your strategy. He will be giving you the study planners. You will be getting the study booster sessions. Once you will get the test, you will be getting the analytics. Analytics plays a major role in improving yourself. We as a teacher also get our analytics so that we can improve on the daily basis. So once you start getting the analytics, you will be also improving massively on the daily basis. Apart from that, there will also be the guidance for the mains once you clear the prelims, and there will also be the guidance for the interview once you clear the mains. So once you take the Iconic subscription, all the benefits of the Plus are included by default in this. And if you take the Plus subscription, then also these things will be included in that, though, so that will also create impact in your preparation, so that you just have to study. Rest of the things will be taken care by Unacademy. So now let us start the class and let us understand what we have to study in this particular topic.
Hello friends, welcome to this lecture of communication system. So let us try to read the question of this baseband digital receiver. So again, consider a baseband binary PAM receiver shown below. The additive channel noise NT is void and power spectral density is N0 by 2. So basically the noise which is N of T is given as white noise, and its PST is also mentioned as 10 to the power minus 20 watt per hertz. Now the low pass filter is ideal with unity gain and cutoff frequency of 1 megahertz. So this low pass filter which is mentioned here is having cutoff frequency of 1 megahertz. Now Yk represents the random variable Ytk. Now Yk is basically the random variable at the input of the decision device. So it will be the combination of signal as well as noise. So it is written here that Yk is Nk if 0 is transmitted, and it is A plus Nk if 1 is transmitted. So if I talk about the threshold device, so for the threshold device it is saying that this is the random variable Y, and this will be your lambda. So Y is defined like this, that it is N if 0 is transmitted, and it becomes A plus N whenever 1 is transmitted. So this is mentioned. Now where Nk represents the noise sample value. So this we already know that this N is nothing but the noise sample value at the input of the decision device. Now the noise sample has a PDF of this PDF is also given for the noise sample. So this PDF of noise sample is mentioned as 0.5 alpha e to the power minus alpha mod n. Now it is also given that this noise sample, it has 0 mean, which means the mean of this noise sample, if you will consider, is 0, and the variance of this noise sample is given to be 2 by alpha square. It is also saying assume the bits to be equiprobable, which means if we consider that transmission of probability of 0 as well as transmission of probability of 1 are equiprobable, and this is half, and this is your threshold device. Now ultimately the value of this A by 2 is mentioned. So this value of A by 2 in the problem is given as 10 to the power minus 6. So A is not unknown, it is already known. Let us see what is being asked in the question. So in the question it is asking us the value of this parameter alpha. Okay, so let us try to analyze what we can do in this case. So first of all, what we should consider is that at the input of this low pass filter, if you will look closely at the input of this low pass filter, you can see that the input is RT, which is combination of XT plus NT. Now you have this random variable whose noise whose mean is and whose variance is also known as 2 by alpha square. So let us try to write this question like this. So this is your low pass filter. Again, so the input of the low pass filter, if you look closely, is combination of signal plus noise, and that is your RT plus NT. So this is your RT plus NT. So obviously the output will become somewhere AT plus N naught T. So this is mentioned as white noise, and we already know its PST. So PST is also mentioned, and this is your signal. So this signal will change as long as 1 is transmitted and as long as 0 is transmitted. So this RT will have different values. Now let us see what is next. So after low pass filter, it is being passed through a sampler. So I'll pass it through a sampler. So this becomes your sampler. So output of the sampler will become AT plus N naught T, and then it is passed through a threshold device which has some lambda, and this particular AT plus NT, it is denoting it as YT. So according to the problem, the value of YT or Y, you can write it as, this is given your sampled expression. So it comes out to be, it will come out to be A1 plus N naught when 0 is transmitted, A2 plus N naught when 1 is transmitted. So from here you can see that in the question it is given as N when 0 is transmitted, and some A plus N when 1 is transmitted. So it is given as A plus N when 1 is transmitted. So this is the situation till now. Also in the problem, the random variable N has mean which is given as 0, and variance is given as 2 by alpha. So the variance is mentioned as 2 by alpha square. So let me see once again. Yes, variance is mentioned as 2 by alpha square. Okay. Along with that, the PDF of N, is also mentioned as Fn of N, and this PDF is, you can consider it as 0.5 alpha e to the power minus alpha mod n. So it is 0.5 alpha e to the power minus alpha mod n. So this is given till now. So from here you can see that this white noise, what is your white noise? We know that white noise is our WSSRP. So if white noise is WSSRP, so what will be this N naught T? This N naught T will also be WSSRP, and we know that as long as signal is WSSRP, the variance of the random process is same as the variance of the random variable. So from here you can say that if you know the variance of this N naught, which I am denoting it as N in this problem, this N naught we are denoting it as N because it is given in the problem. So if you consider that you know the variance of sigma n square, or ultimately you know the variance of sigma square N naught T, so this is the variance of random variable, it will always be equal to the variance of N naught T. So how to calculate the variance of N naught T? We know that the input is given as, so the input is given as white noise. So we know that white noise have zero mean. White noise is a zero mean random process. So from here you can see that if it is a zero mean random process, so the variance of this N of T will be equivalent to the mean square value of N square T, and this random variable expectation of N, this is given as 0. So you can write it as expectation of N naught T, or it can be written as expectation of N naught T. So it will also become 0. So basically this WSSRP N naught T can also be called as zero mean WSSRP. So till now it is very much clear. So from here if I look closely to this low pass filter, if I consider this low pass filter, which is a low pass filter and it has pass band gain of 1 and cutoff frequency it is having as, let me check, cutoff frequency is given as 1 megahertz. So the cutoff frequency can be considered as 1 megahertz. So this is 1, this is -1, and let me keep this axis in megahertz. So if I talk about only noise, so the value of noise at the input of it is a white noise. This white noise has mean 0 because white noises have 0 mean, and we know the PST of it. So PST of this particular expression is given, which is given as 10 to the power minus 20. So it is given as 10 to the power minus 20, the PST is mentioned. Okay, HF is mentioned, what about this n naught t? So for this n naught t also, you know that it is also having 0 mean, so you can calculate its mean square value or eventually variance, and it is given in the problem as 2 by alpha square. Now how to calculate this expectation of n naught square? So we know that to calculate this expectation of n naught square t, you have to calculate the area under the curve of Sn naught f df. So ultimately this expression gives you 2 by alpha square. So how to calculate this? We know that this Sn naught f will become mod of hf square Sn into f. So this is your Sn into f, which is two-sided PST, and this is your mod of hf square. So this is your mod of hf square versus f. This is 1, this is also 1, and this is in megahertz. So what will become Sn naught f? So this Sn naught f becomes minus 1 to 1, this becomes n naught by 2, and it comes out to be Sn naught f versus f, where f is in megahertz. So this is your n naught by 2. Now if you will calculate the area under the curve, so what will be the area under the curve? The area under the curve will become n naught by 2 into 2 megahertz. So this can be written as n naught into 10 to the power 6 hertz. What is the n naught by 2? So n naught by 2 we have already stated, it is your 10 to the power minus 20 into 2 into 10 to the power 6. So it becomes 2 into 10 to the power minus 14. This comes out to the value of this integration. So this integration is equivalent to this minus infinity to infinity Sn naught of f df. It comes out to be equal to 2 by alpha square, and the value of this integration comes out to be 2 into 10 to the power minus 14. So this can be written as 2 by alpha square. So from here alpha square comes out to be 10 to the power 14. So the value of alpha from here can be calculated as 10 to the power 7. So let us see if any one of the option matches. So this becomes your value of alpha, which will be 10 to the power 7. Now let's move on to the next part of the same question. So this is the next part of the same question. Again the data is same. Consider a baseband binary PAM receiver shown below. The additive channel noise NT is white with power spectral density, which is n naught by 2 equal to 10 to the power minus 20. So it is given as 10 to the power minus 20 watt per hertz. The low pass filter is ideal with unity gain and cutoff frequency of 1 megahertz. Let yk represents the random variable, and yk is again your nk if transmitted bit is 0, and it is a plus nk if transmitted bit is 1, where nk represents the noise sample value. So this we already know, and the noise sample has a PDF. So this PDF is also we know. Assume transmitted bits to be equiprobable and threshold z is set to, now in this case it is setting as the threshold. So threshold comes out to be a by 2, 10 to the power minus 6. Let us see what it is asking. It is asking the probability of bit error. So let us try to calculate the probability of bit error. So first of all I will again redraw all this diagram so that I can comprehend it in my manner. So first of all if you consider that this is your low pass filter, which is the first block of this particular receiver. So this is your low pass filter, and obviously it is receiving this RT plus NT. Now NT is nothing but your white noise, so this NT becomes your white noise, and this RT is your signal, which depends upon whether 1 is transmitted or 0 is transmitted. Now the output of this low pass filter will be sampled, and this sampled value will be assigned to this decision device. So this is your decision device, and lambda in this problem is given as a by 2. So that is fine. Now if I consider this output to be yt, so I can write it as at plus n naught t, and after sampling it will become a random variable, so let me write it as a plus n, so where n is sampled value of n naught. Now whenever y will be greater than lambda, it will decide in the favor of 1. Whenever y will be less than lambda, it will decide in the favor of 0. Now everything is known about this y, so this y becomes 0 plus n when 0 is transmitted, and it becomes a plus n whenever 1 is transmitted. Along with that, it is also mentioned that probability of 0 transmission is same as probability of 1 transmission, and it eventually becomes half. Okay, so till now everything is fine. What will be the formula of probability of bit error? So this formula becomes probability of 0 transmission into probability of 1 by 0 transmission plus probability of 1 transmission into probability of 0 by 1 transmission. So these are equiprobable. We need to calculate only these two values. So how to calculate these two values? So again we will take the help of the decision device. This conditional probability 1 by 0 transmission is representing that this random variable probability of y of 0 transmission should be greater than lambda. So what will be this probability of y0 transmission? We know that it is mentioned in the problem as directly n, so you can write it as n. This should be greater than lambda. Now what is lambda? Lambda is mentioned as a by 2. So basically you have to calculate the area under the curve from a by 2 to infinity in this PDF. So I guess PDF is already mentioned to you, so you can calculate this area. Now let us see what does it mean. It means we have to calculate the probability of y transmission. It will be less than lambda. So this becomes probability of a plus n, and value of lambda becomes a by 2. So this can be written as probability of n less than minus a by 2, or you can write it as minus infinite to minus a by 2 fn of n dn. So you have to calculate these two integrations. Now let us see what is the PDF. So PDF is mentioned as 0.5 alpha e power minus alpha mod n. So PDF becomes 0.5 alpha e to the power minus alpha mod n. So this you have to consider, and the value of a is also I guess mentioned. So let me check once again. Threshold is your a by 2, okay, and the value of a by 2 is 10 to the power minus 6. So threshold is mentioned as a by 2, and the value of a by 2 is also mentioned as 10 to the power minus 6. So this is mentioned already. So let's try to calculate this area. So you have to calculate first of all this probability of 1 by 0 transmission. This you have to calculate from a by 2 to infinity fn of n dn. So it becomes a by 2 till infinity 1 by 2 e to the power minus 1 by 2 alpha e to the power minus alpha mod n dn. From here you can see that this n value is always positive from a by 2 to infinity. So this mod n can be represented by simply n. So this becomes alpha by 2. This limit is a by 2 to infinity. It becomes e to the power minus alpha mod n dn. So instead of mod, I should simply write it as minus alpha n. So what will be its integration? The integration will become e to the power minus alpha n upon minus alpha, and this limit becomes from a by 2 to infinity. So it becomes minus 1 by 2, and e to the power minus infinity becomes 0, and whenever you will put e to the power minus alpha into a by 2, so this value comes out to be 1 by 2 e to the power minus a alpha by 2. So we already know that this a is your a by 2 is your 10 to the power minus what is this a by 2? It is mentioned as, I guess, 10 to the power minus 6. Yes, it is 10 to the power minus 6. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 6. Value of alpha you have already calculated as 10 to the power 7. So this becomes 1 by 2 e to the power, if you will multiply these two, a by 2 alpha, it comes out to be 10. So this becomes 1 by 2 e to the power minus 10. Now let us calculate this probability of 0 by 1 transmission. So this probability of 0 by 1 transmission becomes minus infinity up to a by 2 fn of n dn. So you can write it as minus infinity up to a by 2 1 by 2 alpha e to the power minus alpha mod n it becomes minus infinity to minus a by 2. So again, since it is a limit is always negative, this limit is negative, this limit is also negative, so you can open this mod n as minus n. So this can be written as minus infinity to minus a by 2 1 by 2 alpha e to the power alpha n dn. Again we will solve it. It becomes 1 by 2 alpha as constant. This integration becomes e to the power alpha n upon alpha. So this limit becomes minus infinity to minus a by 2. So alpha alpha again gets cancelled out. It becomes 1 by 2. So here you can write it as e to the power minus a alpha by 2 minus e to the power minus infinity becomes 0. So e to the power minus a alpha by 2 you have already calculated. A by 2 is your 10 to the power 6 and your alpha is 10 to the power 7. So a by 2 alpha becomes 10. So this again can be written as 1 by 2 e power minus 10. So look it. Now what will be the probability of bit error? So probability of bit error becomes probability of 0 transmission into probability of 1 by 0 transmission plus probability of 1 transmission into probability of 0 by 1 transmission. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 e to the power minus 10 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 e to the power minus 10, and finally the probability of error comes out to be 1 by 2 into e to the power minus 10. So this should be the correct answer for the probability of error in this case. So now let us see if any one of the option is matching. So the answer should be 0.5 e to the power minus 10. So D must be the most appropriate answer for this particular.
So hopefully we have understood every concept in this class. If you have any doubt in any concept, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to resolve that thing. Apart from that, you can also follow me on various social media platforms. For example, you can join this Telegram group where you will be getting important notification, important updates. This is Telegram group where you can also comment, you can ask your queries, or maybe you can also suggest me for the improvement. Apart from that, this is my Unacademy profile. On this Unacademy profile, you should also follow me so that you can get the important updates of the Unacademy also, right? And this is the Notion page. You just have to type this tiny.cc/VishalGate. So you will be redirected to a page where all the special classes are arranged very systematically. तो मैंने बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे स्पेशल क्लास ले रखी है. फॉर एग्जांपल नाइक्विस्ट, फूरियर सीरीज, latches and flip flop, double integrations, okay, lot of things are there. So you will be getting all these concepts absolutely free of cost. You just have to type this in your URL, you will be redirected to that page and attend these lectures one by one. You will be getting a next level confidence in these topics that I can guarantee you. Now, this is the Notion page of your YouTube, on which you will be getting the links of the YouTube. Apart from that, you will be also getting the PDFs of that particular lecture. So this is very important for you, and just you have to type http://bit.ly/gatelive. So gatelive, you just have to type it in the capital so that you can access all the lectures link and PDF arranged systematically. So if you want to attend or you want to clear the examination with the free resource, then this is the channel for you. This is the best recorded videos which has been ever made. You just have to go to that lecture, just click the link and download the PDF and start studying systematically. So we have also done this for you so that any student, whether he is sitting any part of this country, should not face the difficulty in cracking the examination, whether he can afford or he cannot. Now, if you can afford, then the subscription prices are not something which you cannot pay. It is very nominal amount which you can pay, and you can just avoid all the distractions, all the time wastage which we will be doing in downloading those PDFs, arranging them, arranging for the test series, and a lot of other things that you have to arrange, doubt solvings you have to arrange by yourself. If you want to avoid all those distractions in a very nominal amount, so you can go for the Unacademy Plus subscription. For 12-month subscription, you have to pay only 74 rupees per day. Apart from that, for 18-month subscription, which is the best possible subscription, you have to pay 63 rupees per day. It is even lesser than the pizzas that you order on your home. So it is that much of amount that can shape your career, that can give you the best possible rank in the examinations under the guidance of the best teachers of the country, which has been right now placed on the Unacademy. Now, 24-month subscription will cost you 54 rupees per day. So these subscription amounts will give you the subscription for the desired period. Apart from that, if you are using this code, you just have to remember this code, write my name, write GATE after it. You can also write ESC after it. So you have to write my name and write ESC after it. So any one of these code, once you apply, you will be immediately getting the 10% discount. You will be getting all the features of the Unacademy. You will be getting the guidance of all the teachers present on Unacademy, and everything you will be getting that is needed to crack the examination once you are using this code. So if you think we are working hard, we are giving our best content, we are giving the free content absolutely for you guys, and everything that is needed for every student to crack the examination. So never forget to use this code whenever you are taking the subscription. So this code is very important and you have to use every time you are taking the subscription. Now, those who are interested for the prices, total price amount, so let me tell you, total price is 27,225 for 12 month, 34,650 for 18, and for 24 month it is 39,600. You can also pay this by using zero cost EMI. Zero cost EMI can be paid by credit card and debit card. In debit cards, there are only Bajaj and HDFC as of now available. Okay, so the zero cost EMI means you do not have to pay anything extra. Any interest is not, you should not pay, and you have to pay this much of amount on the daily basis if you are looking for the zero cost EMI option. Apart from that, if you are coming for Iconic subscription, so Iconic mein, I have already told you that your personal coach will be the game changer. He will be he will be basically following you to give you the guidance so that you can get the success in a very short span of time. So he will be following you, he will be pushing you every time. Now, once you use this coupon code, this will be costing you around 45,225, and if you are using this coupon code, write my name, GATE after it, you will be getting the 24-month subscription of Iconic in 66,600 rupees. Fine. Apart from that, every one of you should follow this GATE aspirant group, and there also some important notification always comes. Now, what are the YouTube channels that you should immediately subscribe? This Creatrix, this is the channel on which you are present. This is Unacademy GATE questions, where previous year questions has been solved by the educators. So you'll be getting all the previous year questions video solution apart from the PDF also. This is the Electrical Junction channel, where you will be getting the important concepts of EC and electrical. And this is Engineering Pathshala, where you will be getting some practical aspect of the videos, some animated videos that will enhance your ability to think. So these are the channels which you should immediately subscribe so that you can get a better content. Fine. Now these are my some YouTube videos which I have created for you. In all of these videos will give you some motivation, guidance, content, and some strategy. So these are hand-picked videos. You can immediately follow these videos. Okay. So thank you so much. And those who are coming on this channel, immediately share all the content which is present on this channel. We are working very hard for you guys So this is your responsibility that you should share this channel, you should subscribe this channel, also share the link of this channel, link of the videos, link of the educator whom you follow, so that every student who is needy, they can come onto this channel and they can get the best possible rank. So all the best everyone, let's crack it.